And welcome back to our daily request. So, para sa pangalawa nating nag-request, for tonight, I'm gonna sing 40 Kinds of Sadness by Ryan Cabrera. So, this was requested by Meg Dian Leorna. So, full name yun, complete. So for short, may Ate Meg. Kasi, birthday niya ngayon, so, sasabihin ko pa ba yung age? Sige, sabihin ko na lang din. Alam kong gusto mo, rock and roll, baby! So Ate Meg, happy 21st birthday sa'yo. Abot to naman tong video na to kasi hindi pa naman lumalag pa sa alas 12. Same thing, kagaya ng sinabi ko din sa ginawa ka ng vid nung last night. So yun lang, happy birthday, happy 21st birthday. Sana magustuhan mo tong video na gagawin ko para sa'yo. Di ba ni-request mo, 40 Kinds of Sadness by Ryan Cabrera. So this is for you. Once again, wish ko lang many more birthdays to come. Very good health, very long life. Happiness as always, and yun. Well, so, yun, hope magtagumpay ka sa mga dreams mo, sa mga araw mo. Happy birthday again. Ayoko na magdrama dahil hindi naman ako madrama. Rock and roll, baby! Woo! What's up, yo? So once again, I'm gonna sing 40 Kinds of Sadness by Ryan Cabrera. So, kanina ko nga lang pala inaral kasi yung kay Dino, yung ginawa ko previous video ko, kagabi ko inaral yon. So, nagawa ko rin kanina. So, ito naman, kanina ko lang inaral pero para medyo alam ko na yung so tsaka para naman maisabay ko na sa birthday mo. Oo nga pala, gift ko na to sa'yo kasi nabasa mo. So sinikap ko talaga magawa to ngayon. So kung ano mangyayari, I hope you like it. Yun, happy birthday again. Rock and roll. Yun lang. So this is for you, 40 Kinds of Sadness by Ryan Cabrera. Yun. Love you. Chore. Hindi yun. Okay. Ito na tayo. Hey! Let's go! "40 Kinds of Sadness" by Ryan Cabrera, requested by Ate Meg. So this is for you. Teka lang. Ulitin natin na ulit. Excited. Happy birthday! Here. 2 days chasing me around. I go crazy when you're outside of my world. When you're outside of my world. Hey! No sounds singing me to sleep. I don't want the room to breathe. Just be with me. Just be with me. I feel 40 kinds of sadness when you're gone, and I feel the same thing always happens when you're gone, and I know you're just around the corner. You're just around the corner. It's not enough. Hey, oh, yeah. It's not enough. My eyes are waiting at the door like every time before. Time flies so slow. Time flies so slow. And I feel 40 kinds of sadness when you're gone. And I feel the same thing always happens when you're gone. And I know you're just around the corner. You're just around the corner. It's not enough. for a while, it's not enough. You on the side, know you don't like it. I feel of sadness, oh, when you're gone. I feel 40 kinds of sadness when you're gone. And I feel the same thing always happens when you're gone. I just know, just around the corner, just around the corner. It's not enough. Just around the corner, it's not enough. Just around the corner, it's not enough. I know. Just around the corner, it's not enough. And I know. Just around the corner, it's not enough. So, that's it. Once again, 40 Kinds of Sadness by Ryan Cabrera. So, dedicated sa'yo, Ate Meg, for your birthday. May gift for you, happy 21st birthday. I hope enjoy ka sa araw na to, and sana mas mag-enjoy ka pag napanood mo tong video na to. So, tong video na to. So, yun. So, as I promise, yun, ginawa ko. This may gift for you, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka, and wish you all the best. Good luck sa career mo, kung meron man. Just rock and roll, baby. Just always remember, just always pray at night, Japan, and keep it real, keep it cool, and rock and roll. So, yun. Ano ba? May nakalimutan pa makasabihin. I think wala na. So, yun. Happy birthday again. Many more birthdays to come, and rock and roll, baby. Love you. Love you. So, yun. Good luck, and ingat palagi. Ingat lagi. Take care. God bless. And babu. Happy birthday.